Welcome to Cyber Shadows, where we uncover the dark side of digital world. I'm Daisy, joined by a solid cast of expert enthusiasts to discuss the rising threat of cyber terrorism, especially groups targeting governments. Let's meet today's panel. Hi, I'm Jocelyn, a cybersecurity analyst passionate about digital defense. Hello, I'm Elizabeth, a researcher focused on cyber warfare and its impact on governance.
Hi, I'm Marian, advocating for stronger policies against cyber threats.
Hi, I'm Gar, exploring how cyber issues affect daily life.
Hey, I'm Lucy, an ethical hacker helping organizations stay secure. Hi, I'm Lucy, highlighting the human rights angle of cyber terrorism.
Great to have you all here. Let's dive right in. Elizabeth, start us off. What defines cyber terrorism?
Cyberterrorism involves politically or ideologically motivated attacks on digital systems. The goal is instill fear, disrupt systems, and sometimes challenge government authority. It's not random, it's strategic.
Jocelyn, why are governments such attractive targets? Governments control critical infrastructure like power grids, transportations, and defense systems. A successful attack can cripple these essential services, causing chaos. Okay, Marian, can you shed light on some infamous groups?
Certainly, groups like Anonymous have targeted government faithful corruption. Then, there's the Lazarus Group who direct time to North Korea, known for attack upon state agendas. And don't forget cybercrime, which uses internet to spread propaganda and disrupt government systems. Their actions show how terror can transcend borders digitally.
Hey Josie, what the human side of the story?
Attacks on government trickle down on citizens. For example, cyber attack on a healthcare system could delay emergency care and endangering lives.
It also brings distrust. When government website or data are hacked, people question whether their information is safe.
Josie, what being done to counter these threats?
Governments are collaborating globally using ethical hackers like me to identify vulnerabilities before cyber terrorists exploit them.
Education investment in cybersecurity are crucial. Awareness can be prevent phishing and ransomware attacks that open the door to larger breaches.
We also made updated laws to tackle risks involving threats, ensuring cyber terrorists are held accountable.
Okay, so cyber terrorism battle that requires everyone, government, tech experts, and everyday citizen to stay vigilant.
In addition, remember cybersecurity is a human rights issue too. A secure digital world means a secure life for all.
Thank you, panel, for your insights. Thank you, listener, for tuning in the Cyber Shadows. Stay informed, stay secure, and we'll see you next time.